No, it's actually C. Remember, this is the whole story of how a hurricane is able to keep itself alive. It's got to have an enormous amount of evaporation at the surface of the ocean in order to provide all the water vapor to replace the water vapor that it's turning into rain. So we need strong winds, and warm water evaporates more easily than cold water does, so you will get a much greater evaporation rate over warm sea surface temperatures than over cold. Use any of the tools I provide to you to get in touch with me if you have any questions about that, and in the meantime, let's go on to question 5.